What if I told you that you could create your own amazing, high-quality animated stories? You know, the kind you see online getting millions of views? Well, guess what? You can. And today, we're going to walk through exactly how to do it, using a brilliant workflow that just needs a couple of free AI tools and, seriously, about 5 minutes of your time.
Just look at this for a second. The visuals, the whole vibe. This is a scene from a story that was made with the exact method we're about to break down. It's got depth, it's detailed, and honestly, it looks totally professional.
So that's the million-dollar question, right? How on earth is something that looks this good possible, not just for free, but in the time it takes to brew a pot of coffee? It almost sounds impossible.
But it's not magic, I promise. There's a secret, and it's this awesome, super straightforward, and totally repeatable workflow. Think of it like a blueprint that anyone, and I mean anyone, can follow. And in this explainer, we're going to hand you that entire blueprint. Okay, let's jump in. Here's our game plan. We'll start with the whole 4-step process. Then we'll dive into each piece, coming up with a story, creating the images, making the move, and finally, adding that last bit of professional polish. So first, let's get that 30,000-foot view of the whole process. This really is your creative blueprint. Once you see these 4 main stages, the whole thing feels way less intimidating and actually really simple. And that's pretty much it. 1, you need a story and the right words, the prompts to describe your scenes. 2, you turn those prompts into images. 3, you bring those images to life with animation. And 4, you stitch it all together into your final video. That's the whole recipe. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of step 1. All right, on to our first step. You know, everything, and I mean everything, starts with the story. This is the absolute foundation for your entire animation. Because without a good story, the visuals are just pretty pictures without a soul. And you've got 2 great ways to tackle this. You can either be the storyteller yourself or play the role of a smart director. If you're the storyteller, you write your own tale and then just ask ChatGPT to whip up some image prompts for each scene. Or, if you're playing director, you can find a YouTube story you love, drop the link into ChatGPT, and ask it to write a similar story with prompts. And hey, here's a little pro tip for you. To get way better results, tell ChatGPT to structure the prompts with a subject, a setting, an art style, and even a camera angle like wide shot or close-up. It gives you so much more control. Okay, our story and prompts are ready to go. Now it's time to actually build our world visually. This is the fun part where we create all the artwork for our animation. Now this is where it gets really good. We're going to use a tool called Leonardo.ai, and it just blows all the usual hurdles out of the water. It's a total game changer because it's truly, genuinely free. No subscriptions, unlimited creations, it's amazing. Oh, and a quick tip, keeping your character looking the same can be tricky with AI. The secret is to be super specific in your prompts. Use the exact same detailed description like Merle, a woodcutter with a kind face, a red turban, and a worn brown vest, every single time he's in a scene. And actually using it could not be simpler. You log in, paste in that detailed prompt we made in ChatGPT, and then, now this is important, set your image size. For a normal YouTube video, you're going to want that 16:9 aspect ratio. Then you just click Generate. And in seconds, boom, you've got a gorgeous piece of art for your story. You just rinse and repeat this for every scene you need. All right, we've got our stack of beautiful static images. Now for the part that honestly feels like actual magic. Let's make these still pictures move and breathe. Okay, lean in for this part, because this next bit is the absolute key to the whole operation. This is the secret sauce. Getting this step right is what makes this entire free workflow, well, work. So here it is, the hack that unlocks the whole thing. It's this specific combo of tools. First, you need Turbo VPN, and you absolutely must set your location to Washington in the United States. Why? This probably connects you to the right servers to unlock all the free features in the second tool, which is the Go AI Assistant app. This exact 1-2 punch is the secret. So once you're all set up, the process itself is just dead simple. You upload an image and the app does its thing, adding these really nice subtle motions, like a slow pan or a gentle zoom or a cool parallax effect. And if you don't love what the AI does automatically, you can usually add a simple text prompt like slow zoom in or pan left to give it a little nudge in the right direction. And this number right here beautifully illustrates the absolute best part of this method.
That's the number of watermarks you're going to find on your final video clips. 0. Zilch, nada. You get clean, high-quality animated clips all ready for the final edit. We did it. We have all of our animated scenes. Now it's time for the home stretch, putting all these little clips together to tell a complete, compelling story.
For that really professional feel, you're going to want a great voiceover. 11 Labs is my go-to for this. It's fantastic. Here's a little trick to make the AI voice sound way more human. Pay attention to your punctuation. A comma creates a nice, short, natural pause. A period creates a longer stop. Just playing with those can totally change the rhythm and emotion of the whole delivery. The final assembly all happens in your favorite media editor. And the real art here is all about pacing. So import everything, but lay down your voiceover track first. Let the voice be your guide. Then just line up your animated clips to match the important moments in the story. For music, a great hack is to go to YouTube and search for royalty-free cinematic _. You'll find tons of tracks that add emotion without being distracting. Drop it in, lower the volume, and you are ready to export. And that's it. Seriously. From a simple idea kicking around in your head to a fully animated video, you now have the complete blueprint, the step-by-step guide, and the totally free toolkit to start making your own animated stories, like right now. So really, the only question left is the one right there on the screen. The power is literally at your fingertips, and it won't cost you a dime. What story are you going to tell?